'Diba? So you choose well. You choose someone na dapat tinitreat well ka na. Kasi yan ang magiging tatay ng mga anak mo. Kung may makita ka ng bad temper, huwag mo nang pakasalan. Kasi ang papaluin yan, ang sisigawan yan, ang painful words yan, dun sa magiging anak ninyo. So sometimes I really apologize to my kids kasi sabi ko, I left the marriage. I had the luxury to leave your father. Sila, they're stuck for life. I'm so sorry I chose wrong. But I'll tell you, I will love you enough, my children enough. I will protect you enough. I will enough for a father and a mother. And I will never forsake you. I love you all. I love you all.